Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. I'm so glad to have you. And please like and subscribe for more Bath & Body Works reviews and content. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really mean that. I appreciate you. And I'm praying for everyone that visits my channel. So in this video, I would like to give you my review for Bath & Body Works new fragrance, Midnight Swim. This is part of the summer collection for 2021. I have the body cream and I have the fine fragrance mist. So the body cream retails for $14.50 and the fine fragrance mist retails for $15.50. I know I always check that, but I need to double check because sometimes the body cream is the same amount as the fine fragrance mist. Kind of odd, right? But here is the body cream. Very blue packaging. There's a little lighthouse with the moon and stars and the ocean and the beach. Ooh, almost lost it. There's like little starfish and shells. And here is the fine fragrance mist. I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, it's very blue. It's just okay for me. But let me read you the scent notes. So, enjoy your own personal getaway with the perfect summer escape. Blue waters, beach flower, and fresh coastal air. And yes, I would agree with this scent description. So, right when I smell this, I'm hit with the blue waters and the air, like a fresh floral air, but it's really pretty. But you know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of like that fresh type men's cologne. Like, I definitely feel like men and women could enjoy this. It's very aquatic, fresh air type scent. It's really nice. And I appreciate that Bath & Body Works seems to be doing more of that. I mean, I know they've expanded their men's collection like crazy, but they also, for their main releases, you know, I've noticed some of them are very unisex. Like this one, Lakeside Citrus was one. So I appreciate it when they do that because, I mean, I like the way men's cologne smells too. I don't mind. Like, I'm obsessed with Cool Water. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Like, I like that one more than the women's version. I like the men's version. But so for performance wise, this definitely lingers and it's very fresh, and like when I would move I would get like a burst of it. It lasted for about 5 hours, which is decent in my opinion for a body cream and a fine fragrance mist. Yeah, and it's just very aquatic and fresh. So if you like aquatic fresh scents, then you will probably like this. Now you definitely do get the floral as well. So if florals are headache inducing to you, I mean, you could try this, but just be aware because it is definitely very floral, but it does. I mean, it really smells like a midnight swim. Like, you know what I mean? Like it's nighttime and there's a breeze and you can smell the waves, and I mean, I like it. So far so good for summer 2021. I have not smelled one bad thing yet, and I'm really liking it. I mean, I think this is a nice change of pace for the signature collection. I mean, I don't know if this is part of the signature collection. It doesn't say. But I mean, you know what I mean. For like their collection releases that aren't specifically for men. So So I really like it. Comment and let me know what you think about it. And if you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.